Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my everyday base routine, especially for the days when I have to go out and wear a mask and all of that. So the foundation that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115. Now this foundation is matte, but it does not make my skin look dry at all. It has a very skin like finish and it is very lightweight with just the right amount of coverage that I need. And this video is in partnership with Maybelline, but I have been a fan of this range, the Fit Me range, for as long as I can remember. I started using the concealer when I was like in college, and this used to be my everyday concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 light. I also like to use the shade 20, but I haven't been out in the sun, so this one suits me perfectly. Again, this is a very lightweight concealer. It has great coverage. You can use it on an everyday basis. I used to do that. I love this concealer for everything, like all the things that it does, and it's one of my favorite concealers. It's the best drugstore concealer according to me. Also, the next thing that I used is the Fit Me loose powder to set right under my eyes. This entire range is lightweight, as I said, and it is also non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. So yeah, I used this loose powder right under my eyes, and it is in the shade 15 light again. And for the rest of my face, I used the Fit Me compact powder, and this is in the shade 120. And this also has coverage, and it sets my makeup beautifully because it is a very thin, lightweight powder. And because my skin is dry, I like this for my entire face. And yeah, I completed the rest of my makeup off camera, and you guys can see this is the final look. I also wore a mask to show you that my makeup did not transfer on the mask, and I was so happy with it. I genuinely love this range, and especially the concealer. Please check it out in the description. I've put all the links in the description. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.